Yeah, right, got you back on a new vid on Donaboang, going downhill on Donaboang Road. Just overtook a slow couple of cars that were holding up the whole line of bikes, and yeah, that was good. We had some straight lines of road there, and I took advantage of that. With such a beast in my hands, it's excruciating and they should be rolling off on those bits, you know, those bits there. The cars should be pulling over and giving us a go, mate. See, look, there's another spot. They're all over the place, these spots to pull over. They should be giving us a go. Bit of fun, you know. Nice and easy though, not too hard, just nice and easy. Back in the zone. Picturesque Donaboang Road. Warburton Highway. Give it a dip. Wind it around. Dip. Dip. Deep, deep, give it a dip, deep. Suburbia, nice and easy. Deep, deep, garbage collection day. Warburton, back to Warburton, eh? Suburbia, in the zone. Cruise it, or you lose it. Where are they going? Where's he coming from? Oh, good. Corner marker. So we'd be at Woods Point Road. Oh, it's turning here, are we? Where's this? Sorry, Cynthia. Later, mate. So we're on Kelly's Road now. Interesting, eh? Yeah, there's a bit of interesting stuff for you, eh? Hey? Oh, yeah, I remember this. Kelly's Road. Yeah, it's garbage collection day. Gee, did I tell you the fresh air up here is just making this thing purr so nicely? Did I tell you? I just told you. It's freaking brilliant. Wind it around and around. No quarter markers. Alright, we'll be going this way then. Bit of a wet patch. Bit patchy around here. Gee, I hope I haven't missed a quarter marker. Can't see anyone around here. It can be easy to do, miss corner markers. Corner marker forgets to mark the corner. Does happen. Anyway, I've got GPS. I'll be right. Oh, this winding patch, eh? Nice camber on it. Bit wet, but nice camber. Can't see any bikes. I think we've lost them. I've lost it, I reckon. I'll be on the phone to you and saying, where the frog are you? Where did you guys turn off? That'll be the question. Anyway, let's enjoy the road. I'm on Riverside Drive. Let's see where it takes us, eh? Riverside Drive. Nice. Oh yeah, there's a river, look! There! Oh, look at that river! Oh, look at that. Pretty, eh? You see? I'm telling you, Europeans, eat your heart out. Like, seriously. There's the river. And I'm on Riverside Road. Fancy that, eh? A name that actually makes sense. There you go. You don't get many of those. Normally, oh, there's the river. Normally it's Jinga Junga Bunga Road or something, you know, or Juga Kura Road. Riverside. Looks good. Section. Oh, you've got a corner marker. Good. We haven't got lost yet. Good. Rock and roll. Oh, that reminds me of petrol. I need some petrol. Back in town. Maybe get some petrol here, eh? How much petrol you got? Got 76 k's left. Oh, that's heaps, 76 k's. That's enough for Sydney and back, 76 k's. We've got heaps of range. Pretty cool. So where we at? Woods Point Road now. Woods Point Road. What's that? Someone stole his bags. They put the car up and took the tyres. I guess. Where are we at now? Woods Point Road, East Warburton. We're in East Warburton. Nice countryside here. Do yourself a favour, get yourself some country property, eh? Get yourself some country property. Do yourself a favour, eh? Nice. Alright, I think it's starting. Oh, I think they're. Yep, looks like it's starting again. The windies. Are they? I don't know. Maybe. Got a camber on this, eh? Woods Point Road. Nice. I should have put petrol in Warburton. What was I thinking? I think we were even at the... I think the cafe even had petrol. Or was it just an old station with no petrol? No, but I'm sure there was petrol in Warburton. Should have put some there. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but didn't. Woods Point Road. Oh, look at that, eh? Stretchy, edgy. Oh. Smooth as. The road sensation of this bike, the feel of the road is just lovely. I get a nice feel of the road with this suspension, the tyres, the way everything's set up. Just really nice. Did I tell you that? Really nice. Point Road, 10 minutes and counting. On Woods Point Road. Nice corner. Oh, look at these windies. They just wind in and out of the hills. Pretty. In and out and up into the hill. Pretty windies. Pretty windies. Pretty windies. Approaching hang on, let me do this corner, otherwise it'll be shit. McMahon's Creek. McMahon's Creek, that's where we're coming. 13-minute mark, McMahon's Creek. Ewan. I've reached the front of the line. I think that's Ewan. Ewan's at the front, eh? I've reached the front of the line. It's Ewan. Do you know what I mean? Dip, 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 dip. No, it's dip, 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 dip. And I've got a nice R there in front of us. Oh, it's one of those white, nice new R's. White ones. Pretty. Yeah, who's here? Oh, that's a nice black one there. And here is Ewan. Oh, it's taking a wide berth. Look at that. Ewan takes a wide berth. Oh, how's my time doing? 14. Time flies when you're having fun, eh? 14 minutes. Oh, I'm going to have to start another one. Jeez. Alright, let's start another one. Just wait for the straight bit here. Finish this. Fuck. Oh, did I swear? Sorry.